Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Adhiraj from Adidas Can Code, and today we're going to be making another project based on Arduino, and that's going to be an ultrasonic sensor. How to interface an ultrasonic sensor with the Arduino Uno. In the previous video, I showed you how to interface it with how to interface the Arduino with the LCD screen, and thank you for the really good views I got on that. So just make sure to subscribe and comment and like this video as well. So let's get right into it. Great. First of all, we'll have to drag out an Arduino Uno for the main thing, and then an ultrasonic sensor. And an ultrasonic sensor, we're going to drag out the 4-pin ultrasonic sensor. The 3-pin one is a little more cumbersome to use with, so we're going to drag out the 4-pin ultrasonic sensor. And there we go. Now we're going to start with the connections. The VCC pin is going to go with the 5 volts pin. It's basically the power supply for the ultrasonic sensor. Then the ground pin is going to go to the any of the ground pins. The ground pin is basically for sending signals sending signals from the Arduino to the ultrasonic sensor. The trigger pin is going to be, let's keep it as 7. The trigger pin is 7, and then the echo pin is, let's say, this the 6 digital pin. Great. Now that's done. Let's get right into the code. And first of all, you're going to go to the variable section and create a new variable. You can name it as distance. Okay, that, and when that's done, just click OK. And now bring the set distance to block out sign, and then in the output, I mean in the input, um, read ultrasonic distance sensor on trigger pin this block. Okay, so let me just drag this out more so that you can see it clearly. See, now that we have dragged this out, let me explain this part first. We have a distance variable, and we are setting that distance variable to the ultrasonic distance sensors distance detected on the trigger pin this, echo pin this, and in the unit we want it to be. So trigger pin we're going to keep it 7, and the echo pin we're going to keep it 6. Just to cross check, we'll see once again. 7 goes to the trigger pin. Great, yeah. And now after this, we're going to be now we have many options to display the Uno, to display the distance on the Uno, or on like the serial monitor. But I'll be showing those further methods in the other videos I'm going to make after this. So here we're going to stick with the basics and go with the serial monitor output. So just come to the print to wait a second, where did that go? Print to serial monitor. Drag this block out. It's going to be in the output section. Above, turn off speaker on pin 0, and then you can put the variable distance here where hello world is written, so that we have the distance being displayed in the serial monitor. And keep width on. Okay, just don't keep it without, else it's going to come in the same line and it's going to be difficult to read. Now that is the coding part. Now let's run our program. Just a second. Yeah, and we click on start simulation. Undefined reference to main error. Okay, wait a second. You gotta drag out a forever block as well with this. Yeah, and now you'll see that when we open the serial monitor, the distance is this much. Basically, the distance is here. You'll see when you click on the ultrasonic sensor, you'll see this. You can drag this ball anywhere, and then you'll see the distance changing: 269, 209, 155, 162. As it gets closer, the distance is getting lesser, and when it's getting far away, the distance is increasing: 291. Beyond that, it cannot measure, but beyond this range it cannot measure. So you will see the reading goes away. So the maximum this ultrasonic sensor can read to is 336 centimeters, and the minimum it can read to is 32. So guys, that was the project we had to build today. I hope you like the project. I am telling you again, just hit that subscribe button, you guys, because you're gonna receive similar content like this. So voila, there it is, and bye. See you in the next one.